All right, Devin with Retro Rides. Here we are with Justin's 70 Nova. Finally got some trim parts for the front fender area and the headlight surround. So I'm getting this fit and putting that in, and then I will assemble the bumper brackets and we will fit this, it's kind of a splash filler piece that goes between the headlight buckets and the bumper. And then the bumper sits nice and tight up against this groove here. So I'll be getting this in, and then I'll start fitting the bumper and getting the bumper put in there. It's nice to start working on this car again. It's a beauty, and hopefully we can get it together here and see a final product here real soon.
Kevin Williams, I'm the new guy here. Used to work in San Diego on hot rods and classic cars, and now I'm here working on this Nova. We got, so far I've figured out and got the front end put together to a point. I've got the headlights all wired in and figured out what the last guy was doing, and that took a little while, but got it all figured out. And now I'm working my way around. The front end's all done, ready to go. Working around to the inside. And now I've got a dashboard and an interior to deal with, and that'll be my next mission as the electrician here. Working on this dashboard here, I had to modify it to put an AC vent in the side of it there. It didn't come with one to begin with, so we made it have one.
Fully assembled for the most part. We're on the home stretch, so they're gonna finish wiring up the dash, get some vents ran here. As soon as this is all assembled, we'll drop the driver's seat in. But we finally got everything wired to the tail, meaning that we could finally put the seats in. So rear seats in, passenger seats in, center console, all this stuff's finally together. So really, really close. We got all his nice, really cool door handles, window cranks on, his sweet shifters in, like all this. This is a full TMI product interior, so these are all pre-done by another company, just installed by us. Yeah, we did have to foam out the back. They gave us covers. We had to use our original frames, put those on, so this is done by me in the back, but everything else is just a kit out of the box, bolted in.
Finishing this thing up and doing some final things, you know, getting a nice pretty steering wheel put on and all that good stuff. You want to come inside, we've got the interior all lined up in here. I've got a glove box finally installed. I got the lock in my hand here. We'll get that thrown in there. Got just about everything done in here. We got a couple of kick panels to align and get in. But other than that, the next video you see, you'll hear this thing purring like a kitten.
We got a heartbeat in the shop. You want to hear it? Of course you do. Hold your ears, Devin. Yeah. Sounds so good. And then, oh yeah. Good morning, neighbors. Oh, sounds very good. I like it a lot. So we got it running. Justin was just by. He was grinning from ear to ear, wanting to go from gear to gear, but not quite yet. So I get to do that before he does. As you can see, the air cleaner's not on there. We got to do something different with that. But yeah, got it all wired up, fired up, and then we still got to bleed the brakes on it, which means we got to pull all the wheels and everything off and do that. But it's kind of a milestone, you know? This car's been a big build. Started out on the rotisserie, you know, it was all painted on the rotisserie, all the, you know, it was all gapped and everything, and the car's darn near perfect. Probably one of the nicest Novas you'll find. So, just got to finish putting the hood latch on it and the front molding. It's been a minute since the hood's been on there, but Look at those gaps. Preston and those boys did a good job on it. So yeah, we should be, provided the weather holds up, we should be able to drive this thing here real soon. So AC's all charged. Just working out a couple bugs with the lights, and then take it over the alignment rack, get it aligned, see how she does.